Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, so another day, another topic again. But before we go further with our main topic, what was our previous lesson?
Sir, construction.
Construction. So you have already know how to construct. Is there any more clarification how to construct a geometric figures?
No, sir.
Okay. So let us move on to our next topic. But before that, let us have an activity. So this activity is entitled utang. So bakit
Yes, sir.
utang? Diba pag may utang, may mga listahan.
Yes, sir.
So for the direction, kindly read it, Pin.
List down all the angles, vertices, angles, lines, line segments of the given figure.
Thank you, Pin. So you are going to list down lahat ng makikita mong vertices, angles, and line segments. Is
Yes,
that
sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can we start now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you can copy now and start to answer the given figure. So if you are finished, you can write your answer on the board. So ano yan? Yan yung mga vertices mo.
Yes, sir.
How about the angles? Finish?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, Finn. So let us check. So do not forget to label your answers, okay?
Yes,
So
sir.
your row 1 is your vertices.
Yes, sir.
And it is your line segments. Right?
Yes, sir.
And your angles.
Yes, sir.
So in the given figure, how many angles do we have?
5, sir.
5 angles. And how many vertices?
5.
And it is also 5. And it is also 5 when we
10.
say line segment. So, do you have any clarification?
Answer.
If there is no more clarification,
Yes,
so
answer.
let us move on. So, you have answered your the given task correct. So, this is all 3 points for the vertices, 3 points for the line segment, 3 points for the angles. So, you have a total points of 9 points. Okay?
Yes, sir.
That will be added on your activity later on. So, here is the answer. Tama ba?
Yes, sir.
Let us move on. So, what can you observe about on the illustration?
Sir?
What can you observe about our given figure?
Sir, angles.
May mga angles.
Yes, sir.
So, pag pinagdugtong-dugtong natin yung mga lines na yan, line segments, ano yung nabuo natin?
Shape.
Shape. May nabuo tayong shape.
Yes,
Ano
sir.
pa?
May 5 sides.
So, meron tayong 5 sides on our given figure. Ano pa?
Sir, plane.
So, nakabuo tayo ng isang plane. So, ano nga ba ito sa geometry? So, ito siya. These things or these figures are what we call polygons.
Yes, sir.
So, ano nga ba ang polygons? Kindly read it, Finn.
A polygon is the union of 3 or more coplanar segments which intersect at endpoint with each endpoint shared by only non-collinear segments.
Thank you, Finn. So, saan nga ba? So, a polygon is a union of 3 or more coplanar segments. Yung coplanar segments natin, yung mga segments na nasa iisang plane. Meaning to say, magkakadikit sila.
Yes, sir.
Meeting at the same or common endpoints. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So, saan nga ba nagmula ang salitang polygon? Can you read it, Finn?
The word polygon was derived from two Greek words, poly meaning many and gon meaning angle.
So, yung poly means many.
Yes, sir.
And yung gon is angle or sides. So, ibig sabihin nun, pag polygons, maraming sides na coplanar.
Yes, sir.
Okay? So, saan tayo madalas nakakakita ng mga polygon?
Sir, playground.
Sa playground. Saan pa?
Basketball court.
Basketball court. So, those are examples of real-life example of polygons. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So, etong mga figure na bato, polygons ba sila based on our definition?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, maraming klase ng polygons as long we have made our condition on polygon. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So, there are two types of polygons. The first one is the
Convex polygon.
So, ano nga ba ang convex polygon? Kindly read it, Phil.
A polygon is convex if and only if lines containing the sides of the polygon do not contain point in its interior.
Very good. So, ano naman yung isang types?
Non-convex polygon.
So, what is non-convex polygon? Can you read it?
A polygon is non-convex if and only if at least one of its sides is contained in a line which contains also points in the interior of the polygon.
Thank you, Finn. So, for us to understand more about our two types of polygons, which is convex polygon and non-convex polygon, let us take a look once again on our given figure. So, we have a two set of given figures. We have our figure 1 and figure 2. So, based from the definition of convex and non-convex polygon, what is the set of convex and non-convex on our given figures?
Yes, sir.
Ano yung convex dito? Figure 1 o yung figure 2?
Sir, figure 1.
Figure 1 yung
convex
polygon. Yung figure 2 ay ang mga set ng non-convex polygon. So, how did we say so? Let's go back to our definition. So, sabi niya, only if the lines containing on the sides of the polygon. So, non-convex Sabi niya, its size is contained in a line which contains also points in the interior of the polygon. So, mayroong points in the interior of the polygon. So, how to test if our given figure is a polygon or non-polygon? So, ganito siya. Halimbawa, we have our given figure on our figure 1. Paano natin masasabi na ito ay isang convex polygon? So, let us just extend our line segments.
Sir.
Extend lang natin yung mga line nila. Kung may line na napunta sa loob ng ating given figure, meaning to say, non-convex siya. Pero kung walang line sa loob ng ating given figure, isa siyang convex. Burahin ko na to, okay?
Yes, sir.
Let us take a look on our figure number 2. Tignan natin kung magkakaroon tayo ng line sa ating loob ng polygon. Extend natin ito. Okay, extend natin. Nagkaroon ba tayo ng line sa loob ng ating given figure?
Yes, sir.
So, nagkaroon tayo ng line sa loob ng ating given figure. Meaning to say, figure 2 is
Non-convex.
Non-convex polygon. So, ganun din sa ating pangalawang example. Kung in-extend natin to, nagkaroon tayo ng
Yes, sir.
line. So, meaning to say, isa siyang
Non-convex polygon.
non-convex. So, is that clear, class?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Take a look at our given figures. What can you observe on our given figures? Burahin ko na to.
Yes, sir.
Anong naobserbahan mo sa given figure natin? Figures.
Pero merong right angle, sir.
Right angles on both polygons. Ano pa?
Sir, mga linya.
Lines. So, ang tawag natin sa mga lines na yan, or markings, they are the tick marks. Why tick marks? For us to know, or to identify that our given figure is congruent on each sides.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Kung may mga ganyan na sign, ibig sabihin, congruent yung mga side nila. Dito, ang magkapareho ng side, yung both ends.
Yes, sir.
At ito, magkapareho. Right? So, ang tawag natin sa mga magkapareho ng mga sides at yung mga angles ay isang regular polygons. Ano ba kasi pag regular polygons? Pag regular polygons, it must be equilateral and equiangular. So, ano ba kasi yung equilateral polygon natin? So, can you kindly read it, Ken?
A polygon is equilateral if all the sides have equal length.
How about equiangular?
A polygon is equiangular if all the angles have equal measure.
Thank you, Phil. So, yung polygon daw, regular polygon daw siya kung parehong may katangian na equilateral
Yes, sir.
and equiangular.
Equiangular.
Kung yung given polygon natin, equilateral sila, at the same time, equiangular, meaning to say, our given figure is a regular polygon.
Yes, sir.
Yung equilateral, pare-pareho ang tawag dito?
Mga right
Sides.
sides.
Yung polygon natin, equilateral kung pare-pareho ang
Sides.
sides. At equiangular naman kung pare-pareho ang measure ng angles. So, let us go back to our given figure. Yung given figure number 1 natin, is it a regular polygon?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is. How about our given figure number 2?
No. Equiangular.
Equiangular lang siya. Because
Yes, sir.
it is only congruent on the angles. So, is that clear, class?
Yes, sir.
So, do you have any more clarification about polygons?
None, sir.
So, then let us have an activity.
Yes, sir.
This activity is,
Matibaka.
bakit kaya matibaka? Kasi, sasabihin mo dito,
Tell whether the following is a polygon or not. Say I second demotion if the figure is a polygon, but if not, say objection. Your Honor.
So, magpapakita ako ng mga given figure.
Yes, sir.
Kung polygon siya, sabihin mo ay second demotion. Kung hindi polygon, objection, Your Honor. Second demotion.
Demotion.
Lakasan mo dapat, okay?
Tapos, objection.
Objection, Your Honor. Kapag hindi polygon. Maliwanag? Okay, let us have a trial. Number 1.
I second demotion.
Ay second demotion. So, it is a polygon.
Yes, sir.
So, can we start? So,
Yes,
ganun
sir.
lang yung gagawin mo, okay?
Yes, sir.
Kung polygon siya, sabihin mo ay second demotion. Kung hindi polygon, objection, Your Honor. Okay, can we start?
Yes, sir.
Number 1.
Objection, Your Honor.
Is it objection, Your Honor? Correct. So, check your answer, okay?
Yes, sir.
Correct it honestly. Number 2.
Sir, objection, Your Honor.
Objection, Your Honor. Next.
I second demotion.
I second demotion. Next.
I second demotion.
I second demotion. Next.
I
Oh.
second demotion.
May curve.
Wait, oh.
So, ano siya?
Objection, Your Honor.
Objection, Your Honor. Examine first the given figure before reciting a
Yes, sir.
answer. Okay? So, what is the answer on our next figure?
I second demotion.
Second demotion. Next.
Objection, Your Honor.
Very good. Next.
I second demotion.
Next.
I second demotion.
Okay, take a look at this. Hindi siya closed figure.
Yes, sir.
Ang ating polygon must be a closed plane figure. Closed plane figure ba siya?
Hindi ko.
Hindi. So, it must be an objection, Your Honor. So, maliwanag ang polygon.
Yes, sir.
Pag polygon, may mga sides.
Yes, sir.
Pag hindi polygon, walang sides, hindi siya curve, hindi siya dapat hindi siya ganito. Or it must be a closed figure.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Dapat may nakubong. So, it is a closed plane figure. So,
Yes, sir.
maliwanag ba ang polygon?
Yes, sir.
So, what have you learned about our lesson for today?
Sir, about polygon.
So, ano pa? Meron,
May mga sides.
anong meron ang polygon?
Sir, yung mga nakasara, yung mga
Sa
close
closed
na
figure.
figures.
So, is there any more clarification about polygon?
None, sir.
Okay, if there is no more question or clarification about our topic for today, so bring out one whole sheet of paper and answer these question as your given quiz. So, kindly read the direction.
Classify each figure as convex polygon or non-polygon,
Non-convex.
polygon. Justify your answer.
So, kanina, we have an example of a polygon. We identify this or classify this polygon as convex polygon and non-convex polygon.
Yes, sir.
So, ano yung ginawa natin kanina para ma-determine natin kung convex ba siya o non-convex?
Sir?
Ano yung ginawa natin kanina para ma-determine natin, para sabihin natin na yung polygon ay convex or non-convex?
Sir, kasi close yung figure.
And extend yung line.
Ayo, extend your line.
Okay.
Extend your line.
Ulit. So, yung ginawa natin kanina para ma-determine yung given figure natin as convex or non-convex figure.
Sir, and extend yung line.
Okay, so yun ang gagawin mo to classify those angles if it is a convex polygon or non-convex polygon. So, do you have any more question?
None, sir.
Okay, if there's no question, then you can now start your given task.
Lilinyan ko.
Ito, ilan ang side nito?
6,
6. Ito.
4,
Ito, ilan ang side niya?
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Gagawin mo dyan, classify mo siya. Kung convex polygon ba siya o non-convex.
Convex.
Number 2. Ano ba? Sige, yung sila na lang.
Convex yun. Convex din.
Sige, magsulit ka lang yun. Sulat lang ulit natin yung ating polygons because our laptop is
Low battery.
Nag-surrender ang ating laptop.
Paano? Ito yung nag-check ka na.
Ulit. Ang game na.
Yes, sir.
So, are you finished, class?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the classification of our given number 1?
Convex polygon.
It is a convex polygon because if you extend the lines, walang line sa
loob.
Next. Ano to?
Convex polygon.
It is a convex polygon also. How about number 3?
Non-convex polygon.
It is a non-convex polygon because if we extend the lines, anong meron? Nagkaroon tayo
ng line sa loob.
Lines sa loob. So, tama ba ang iyong sagot?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So, pass your paper. So, is there any more question about our topic for today?
None, sir.
Okay, if there is no more question, then let us call it a day. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, sir.
Thank you.